got this new waving technique. Before styling, hair was primed with strength recovery shampoo and conditioning cream. Take a 1-inch section on the left side of the part. Apply strength recovery spray from roots to ends. Wrap a figure 8 pattern around the prongs of our Biolage hair sectioning clip for 3 revolutions to form the wave on top. Spray and gently squeeze to define the ends. Repeat on the opposite side of the part. Strength recovery spray defines strands, but unlike gel, it leaves hair feeling soft and pliable. On this side, point the clip away from the part so the wave flows in the opposite direction. Respray the ends to enhance and define natural curls. Repeat pattern on individual sections throughout the head and allow hair to either air dry or dry with a diffuser. Finish style with all-in-one multi-benefit oil. Apply in pearl-size increments and emulsify well before detailing to enhance shape, texture, and movement. Here's a pro tip: finger back comb to create lift and separation at the ends. And here's the final look.